everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a no makeup look. If you want to know how did I achieve this look, then please keep on watching. So the first step is a skin prep by using a moisturizer on your face. This look is mainly concentrated to the skin care and a very little amount of makeup is used. So I'm taking a little bit more of a moisturizer to apply only on my highest points, that is my cheekbone and the temples, to give a bit of sheen to my face, as we're not going to apply any sort of highlighter and we have to keep it natural as possible. We are gonna apply this only in dabbing motion, so you can see the difference now. So the next step is to use the primer in the T-zone area to provide a smooth canvas to work on. The products that I have used will be listed in the description box, and we are going to moisturize our lip. So the next step is to apply foundation. For a no makeup look, avoid using a full coverage foundation and choose a sheer to medium coverage foundation to give a natural look. Choose the foundation according to your skin tone. I'm gonna blend the foundation until and unless I get a sheer matte coverage. So for this look, we are not gonna use a concealer. Instead, we are going to layer a thin layer of foundation under the eyes to cancel out the darkness. So you can see the difference. It still looks natural. I'm going to repeat the same thing on the other eye. So from the cleaner side of the beauty blender, I'm going to remove the extra products if present. You can still see the shine because of the moisturizer. And now I'm gonna set my face with a loose powder. And I'm going to do a little bit of baking under the eye. So the next step is to do our brows. We are gonna keep it very natural. We are just gonna follow a natural brow shape and just do small strokes and fill in this sparse area. To avoid harsh lines, we are gonna blend it using a spoolie. So we are done with the baking process. I'm gonna brush off the excess powder. And next we are going to do our eyes, and we are going to keep it very simple by just curling our lashes and applying a single coat of mascara. Don't forget to apply mascara on the bottom lash line. I'm gonna apply a very thin layer of kajal to complete the eye. Next, to bring some warmth to the face, I'm doing a little bit of contour to the face. We're not gonna do a sharp contour. And with the damp beauty blender, I'm just gonna tap on the areas which I've contoured to avoid harsh lines. So the next step is to apply blush. Make sure you're choosing a blush which is according to your skin tone. I'm just gonna dab it using a damp beauty blender. And now for the lips, I'm removing the extra lip balm and applying a very light pink shade. You have to make sure that it should look all natural. And now I'm gonna set my face with a setting spray. I'm gonna use a beauty blender to lock all the products. So this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit the bell button right next to it so that you get notified every single time. Thanks for watching.